How do you guys kind of keep your composure in the first period that kind of started to develop the way it did? I think they had 18 shots before you guys even had one.
Yeah, it's, things like that's going to happen, and it's how you respond as a group. And obviously not the start we wanted, but it was, we came out flat and they came out busted. So that's what's going to happen when you get a good team, time and space, and they're a pretty direct team. Put a lot of pucks on net, and that's what it did to start the game. And, up 2 goals early, and we responded. That goal by Killer late in the first was huge for us, and we came out a different team in the second.
Forces for you, just kind of what's working for your game right now? Just right place, right time, or are you making good reads?
No, hopefully it's a combination. For me to make plays, and getting pucks to the net is key. On Tony's goal there, just gotta get pucks there. Guys are good in front of the net, and it's all about making, like I said, making the reads and making the right plays at the right time.
How big was Alex's goal at the end of the first period, and then you get the tying one sort of really into the second? You kind of snuff any sort of momentum that Montreal might be trying to get back.
No, it's huge, and that's how a good team comes out. Killer has been outstanding the whole year, and it's not by chance that he's right there in front and puts that in. So and then we came out, like I said earlier, we came out on a new team, and Stammer, came a good bounce off the glass, but good players deserve good bounces. So I'm very happy for Stammer to get point number 802, and after that, we put our game to a different level, and that's what happens.